Attempt to repeat past history February 27, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. Destry is confirmed a military op shill, and so is the whole Michigan General Jural Assembly. It's NWO, U.S. and other foreign citizens being invited to come run our states of the Union for us. Another attempt to repeat past history. First, they substituted British, specifically Scottish Territorial States of States for our missing Federal States of States. Next, they substituted Roman Catholic Municipal Corporations operating as State of States for our still missing Federal States of States. Now, they are trying to substitute multinational organizations to operate as states, and usurp upon our land and soil jurisdiction. Want proof? Here's the phony United States of America, Incorporated, they have set up, and here's the names and addresses of the registered agents thereof, all nicely listed for every phony incorporated state. https://www.registeredagentinfo.com. Bear in mind that the entire job and purpose of a registered agent is to serve as a point man who can serve as the contact for a foreign corporation seeking to do business with you. So here are the registered agents for all their phony states that are foreign commercial corporations in the business of providing governmental services. And look who these foreign corporations are providing registered agent services for: Alaska Resident Agent and Alaska Statutory Agent, California Resident Agent and California Statutory Agent, et alia. They are flagrantly, in your face, admitting that they are acting as registered agents for foreign entities called California residents and for Alaska statutory entities, and that means all the corporations formed under state of state statutory law. And as if having one set of phony states wasn't enough, here's the registered agent info for 49 out of 50 other phony municipal corporation states, and their registered agents, United States Corporation Agents, Inc. https://www.bizipedia.com/us/united-states-corporations-agents-inc.html removed. If these were our states, they wouldn't need a registered agent to do business here. If these were our states, they wouldn't need to show their names in all capital letters to silently take notice that they are incorporated entities, either. If these were our states, they wouldn't be populated by residents just passing through. If these were our states, they wouldn't have any foreign registered franchises operated as statutory entities. Destry and Company and the U.S. military-industrial complex that Eisenhower warned us about are trying to do another end run and get the dumb Americans to buy into their crap and give them control of our country and our credit and our resources again. Only this time, they want the usurpers to be lousy NWO multinational conglomerates, so that the blame for this fraud can be spread all over the world. We have one chance to get this right, folks, and hold the perpetrators' feet first to the fire. We have to get organized, and we have to operate in the correct capacity, and we have to form our own federal states of states to replace all these undeclared foreign interlopers. They are trying to pull it again, substitute their foreign states of states for our states of states. And there's the proof above, in black and white. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna von Reitz article videos.